Hi guys, Ben here. Today I'm going to be building the Harley Davidson lamp. I've got all my parts laid out, ready to go. I'm going to start with the cylinders. I'm going to speed it up for you because it's about an hour long build. There's 18 layers to the cylinder. 1 through 6 are all the same, and then it begins to flare out, grow in size. So you've got 18 layers to go. They've got the little spaces in between them, so glue them on, making sure the holes all line up. It's not super important. I just judged it off the centre hole. First 6 are all the same, so you can use the table to square them up. A trusty glue gun. I said this was a bit of a prototype, so these ones weren't numbered. I laid them out first and figured out where they go. But yours should be numbered. Should be 1 to 18. One's on the bottom, and then you got 18 layers. Okay, getting there now. I think, yep, the last layer's gone on. And then we go on to this piece with the tabs. You can just square up the tabs to piece 18 and it comes out fine. Just work your way around the top. And then we've got the same piece again to go on, tabs in place. Just gently with this bit. It is a snug fit. There you go, there's one cylinder done. I'm not going to make you watch another one because it's exactly the same, so I think I'll move on to the body now. Oh no, we're doing the air cleaner. So I think I'll put about 3 or 4 of these in place. Dab of glue. And then I'll put the top on, and then we'll run round and put the others in. Just dab of glue on this side as well. They're quite a snug fit, so I didn't use glue on all of them right now. I just clipped them into place, and we'll come back and glue the rest of that later. Okay, and we're onto the body. Doesn't matter which side you choose. Dab of glue and tease in the hinge. Another dab of glue. Couple of seconds. Other side on. Just tease the top on. There we go, top's on. Didn't actually use any glue with that, it was such a good fit. Okay, body's done. Another cylinder's done. Just feed your lights up through the body and up into each cylinder. Get those glued in place. We've just got another little part for the air cleaner to make. Four of those little tabs in place, top on, and then just run your other tabs in. Get the glue out of the way. There we go. Tabs going in. Nearly there. I actually used a bead of glue around the edge just to hold them all in place because they're a snug fit anyway, and they didn't seem like they wanted to go anywhere. I did the same with the larger part as well. You can't see it, so I thought it was easier than me burning myself with the glue gun trying to glue each one in place. Healthy dollop of glue. Air cleaner's almost done. Now this bit's fiddly. Yeah, just be very careful teasing this in. Carefully, carefully. Okay, looking pretty good. Another healthy dollop of glue. Make sure it's nice and square. That's it. Make sure you got your logo on nice and straight. We're nearly there. Okay, carefully, carefully. This piece. Oh no! Oh no, disaster. Disaster. Oh well. Bit more glue. Back together. There we go. Yeah, it is a snug fit, that piece, so just be careful. Tease each side in, and then I think I reinforce it with a bit more glue. Bit more glue, that's it. Same with the other one. Looking good now. And there we go. We're all finished. Like I say, that was about an hour to build that. And it looks quite nice. Yeah, I like it. There we go. Thanks for watching.